This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101. And I talked about the Rawls work earlier. And again, I don't think we need to spend a lot of time on that. We're starting to run out of time. But one of the things that I wanted you to see in Rawls, which is something that I want you to be familiar with the terminology because it's broader than just Rawls writing. So again, Rawls writing has pretty much run its course, but he's got key elements in here that are terms that some of you should be familiar with from business law. Distributive justice. Are we being fair in the way that justice is being administered? Procedural justice is the application of the rules across multiple situations. And then interactional justice, how do you communicate the way that justice is being applied? And so even though, again, Rawls is kind of fading very rapidly from the scene, these three highlighted concepts are something that are far broader than just what Rawls wrote about. So I wanted you, because it's a good place to pick that out, to be familiar with these terms, folks, and to see how they're applied, because there's some real solid things that you can apply as professionals in accounting and management. And now this is why we talk about Rawls as a neo-Marxist, because he says, to the greatest benefit of the least advantaged persons, and attached to the offices and positions over to all under equality of opportunity. We're hearing a lot about that today. Equality of opportunity is certainly a positive concept, but in terms of trying to put everything down to the lowest common denominator, first of all, not very likely a big seller in terms of selling to human beings across the board, but it's also something that I think you will find has some real issues with it. So I think you're going to find that that's a little bit controversial. And this is again a hot link if you're interested in looking at some of that. Again, I don't recommend the 700-page book, but there is a 700-page book on Rawls. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.